G'day guys, Steve from Broken Sprocket. This here is my 2003 Suzuki RM125. It's in desperate need of a restoration, and that's what we're going to be doing here. We're going to stir it up, get it looking good, get it running good, and make a series out of it and on different things that we find. I'm sure we're going to find plenty of things wrong with this bike as we go along. So let's get started. Going to start by stripping the plastics down. First bolt I touch on it is stripped inside the fuel tank. I think this is going to be a very interesting build. I'll have to look into this bolt a little bit later, it's just spinning. First thing I touch, I've already got a problem. Let's hope we've got better luck on this side. Yep. Okay, so far I've just removed the plastics and I've put all the bolts and different things in here. They're all odd, so it doesn't really matter too much. Just going to label it plastics so I know. Okay, so far I've just removed the plastics. Most of the plastics bolts were odd and not probably for the bike. The radiators have a little bit of damage here and a little bit here. The other side too is a little bit creased in here. So starting to show some of the problems we're going to have. Also the subframe here, it's got these tabs that are supposed to hold the seat down, they're broken off. So I think we're going to find a few nasties on this bike as we continue on. Let's remove this subframe next. Remove some water out of this radiator. Ooh, that's nasty looking radiator fluid. That's rubbish. Need to remove the clutch cable and this wire in here, so I have to take this cover off. Remove the exhaust. Remove the carburetor. Time for the rear suspension to come out. Oh, man, that's tight. Oh, this is as tightest thing I've ever seen. This is really tight. I'm gonna have to get the breaker on it. That was tight. The bearings in this shock linkage are definitely gone. They need replacing for sure. Removing the rear brakes. These are tight. Oh, they're just breaking out. No, they're not going to go. Okay, I've just applied a bit of heat to this and it's managed to crack it. They're very much stuck on, so sometimes you got to just apply a little bit of heat to crack it. That's one, but I'm not going to touch it because it's red hot. I don't have a heat torch, so I've just been using this heat gun, and it's done enough to make it work. So hopefully I can get this one as well. All right, we'll see if this one will go. No. Oh, I got it. I'll have to replace these bolts because the tip's not very good there. It's kind of jammed in and broken a little. So definitely need some new bolts for that section. Oh man, that's tight too. Alright, we're this far into the tear down at the moment. Ready to take the engine out now. Then I'll remove the forks, the front wheel and the headset. So it's getting there. Start ripping this engine out. Okay, we've got the engine out. That's not too difficult a job actually. Sitting here. Look what this piston looks like. Doesn't look too bad from there. Let's remove these ugly handlebars. That's one set of handlebars I'll be glad not to see back on there. How ugly are they? Let's tear these forks off. Okay, we've got the bike stripped down to the frame now. It's all done. We've got parts all over the place. Lots of these parts need work, rebuilding, different things. Get the frame painted. Wheels are here. Got other parts all up here on the bench. They all need work, including the engine. We'll do it all. Got all parts in there. Probably the fuel tank with one bolt stuck in it. These here look good. They don't look like they're that old actually. That's good. Hey, watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So, I'll see you in the next video.